what is a life insurance settlement, Lisa?
Right. What is this thing?
Yes.
So I'm a senior, let's just say. I have this policy. What is a life insurance settlement? It is literally a financial transaction. It is literally the ability to sell your life insurance policy for cash. And who buys these policies? Investor groups buy these policies. Hedge funds, mutual funds, banks, other insurance companies who don't want you to know they're doing this. The state of Michigan has $600 million invested in life settlements. So bottom line is, it's big institutional money typically that's buying these policies. They're paying cash today as an investment. So what happens is they become the new owner of the policy. They will pay the premium, and they will receive the death benefit when the policy matures. So basically, that's why the client receives cash today from an asset, right? And the investor receives an investment, and that's how the whole transaction works. So that's what a life insurance settlement is.
Well, I got to tell you, the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about the settlement, I'm thinking, well, what's it worth, right? Isn't that where the first place people go is, what am I getting out of this, right?
Right, that's exactly it. And it is so specific to each individual client, but I will give some examples. So I think the easiest way to explain how much a policy worth is if we could all put ourselves into, put our Warren Buffett hats on. Warren Buffett's been investing in these since the mid-90s. So if we are an investor group, here's typically what they look at. How much premium are they going to have to pay? For how long? Meaning that what do they think someone's life expectancy is? And frankly, the shorter someone's life expectancy, the more money an investor group is willing to pay. The smaller the premium, the more money an investor group is willing to pay. And the third component is the death benefit they're going to receive. Obviously, the higher the death benefit, the more money an investor group is willing to pay. So I will tell you, there are policies that we can't sell, but there are policies that can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I'm going to give you a couple client examples that we are working on today. I have $1 million policy that I'm selling for $360,000. I have $1 million policy I'm selling for $70,000. And I have $1 million policy that I can't sell.
Wow.
And the reason, right, there, so it's all over the map.
Very.
I have a $250,000 policy that we sold for $128,000. I have a $250,000 policy I've sold for $8,000. So once again, it's just a combination of all three of those big factors, and each investor group has their own specifics that they're looking for, but generally that's what they're looking for. So the bottom line here is a policy can be worth a few thousand. A policy can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. We have a client right now doesn't need her policy anymore. It's a $150,000 policy, and we're selling it for $23,000. So it's a really good way to find found money. Once again, the shorter someone's life expectancy, the more money they're willing to pay for policies.